Hey there! Our next project is vocabulary. We will learn 10 unique vocabulary words in 2 parts. If the response is mind blowing, I'll upload more videos on vocabulary. So let's start. Our first word. This semi-round raised to binding at the edge of the bed. It could be either flat or semi-round. That's rail. If on the sides, it's side rail. But if it's on the board, it's headboard rail. So the usage can be, watch out baby, don't run near the bed. The rail can really hurt you. Our second word. The board, which is used in the bed to support pillows, and it gives the bed a head and is used to decorate. The usage can be, I always like to decorate these headboards with beautiful teddies. Our third word. Who doesn't want to sit at the window and watch beautiful weather for us? What a pleasure it gives. But do you know, where are you sitting? What is it? It is sill. I usually sit on my windowsill and think for hours. Yup, window reminds me of a bonus word for you guys. This edge, this binding is also known as rail. Our fourth word, sitting like this for few hours is okay. But wasting time, whole day sitting like this, man. Suppose you used to sit like this daily and someone comes and points out that you're time wasting. You must be embarrassed, right? Our mind and mouth has nothing to say. Maybe our mind has many points, but our mouth knows it's invalid to say anything. That moment is known as tongue-tied. My friend's very sharp and can fool anyone. He acts tongue-tied in presence of parents, but otherwise, important thing to note here, don't confuse it with the physical condition tied tongue. It's very different from tongue-tied. Tongue-tied is whenever you are too shy to speak or too embarrassed to speak, too shocked to speak. It's tongue-tied. For better practice, try to make your own sentences with these words and send it to me. Till then, practice a lot. Take care. Bye-bye.